Wonders shall never end. Oh. They just catch one housemaid. She go thief her madam panties. I know they talk of pants. This one a bunch of panties. They employ this girl come say, come work, do your normal work as housemaid work. But before we go see, madam don't begin the counter pants. If pants na 12, she no go see pants don't turn to 2. They find this entire out, they no see. Now here they come begin investigate about this. People they do. Now here they begin find out say, where all these pants they go? Before they go see, now here they catch this housemaid. She don't wear all the bunch of pants. Now so she they take hustle. This one no say she dey even thief am inside. She dey wear everything once as a go. Come carry the thing road. Now there they go catch this lady. My people beg, make now follow me watch this one. You don't thief my pants beating respect the way where they go beat this girl. Eh? In fact, blood go come up. Because how adults like this, you know even shame. Grown up lady, you know even see anything valuable where you go thief. Now pint. And for reason I say maybe now one time Babala will tell us okay, bring one pint. This one not be 1 pint. 17 pants. I know they joke. 17 whole pants like this girl wear. As they go one by one, how you take even feel walker? You take this kind of thing, you still get leg, feel use leg walker. People they be professionals for this kind of things because I don't even feel reason now. Because another person go reason as okay, you go thief the thing, put her inside bag. This girl no carry and put for bag. She wear them, everything like that. Carry and say, now so she won't thief this kind. Or not be professional so. But I bet this kind of thing they very scary. May they carry this girl behind a police station, may they go ask some questions well. Because I'm not sure say person go don't say unless in a sickness. Unless say this girl na klepto. But if not be so, may they go do their thing well because I sure say na one time babalawo. Now he send this girl to do this kind of thing. Because I beg where you won't carry this kind of matter group, where you won't carry and reach. Young girl like you, they do this kind of thing by this age. They say come work. Do your work. If you know say your pants don't tear, you tell your madam, I need new pants. Maybe she go give you money, make you buy, or you use your salary buy them. You know reason all that one. No? Now how you won't quantitative this woman pants. Now that one you can't carry do. But I beg woman, last carry this woman girl. I been a madam, waiting and waiting call her. Carry her go police. If she confess, last carry this girl, bundle her, go back to where she come from. Because person if you do this kind of thing, she feel even put something for your food, kill you. Because this one I sure, in fact, are they very sure say na juju? Are they very sure say something they inside this matter? My people where they watch, what you on say feel about this matter? What you on reason say this madam supposed to do this kind of girl because this one what she do, in fact, it no dey normal. So as you as a person, what do you think say if this thing happen to you? What do you think say you go do? My people beg, I hear this one as make her bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I'll go see you now for the next video. Them just sentenced a 38-year-old Nigerian man to death. This one they happened inside Malaysia. This man wey name na Olawole Olajunwo Gilbert. They charge this man for murder of one nurse. This thing don't even happen since 2 years ago. It be like saying now they just really find out the case of what really happened. This nurse now where this death happened to, this lady been there missing. They been they find this woman since, find everywhere, they don't see her. Later now they can't go find her for the hospital where she dey work, for the parking lot. Now there they see say wounds there her body, her chest, her neck. They don't wound her for there. Now there they come the reason say what to make this woman be like this? Because now for house now the last year. How come she can't manage, can't there for this hospital and she don't come die for there? Now there they begin do their investigation, and as they do this thing, now there they notice now this Mr. Gilbert, this Nigerian man, now there they notice now this man now he kill this person. But people beg, make now follow me watch. As I reason this matter, I just think and say, make it not go be saying an innocent man, and they won't go kill you. Because as the matter be, they talk say the only reason we make that they arrest this man is because of say waiting. They see the woman DNA on top of his clothes and in blood stains on top of this man's clothes. But upon the reason, what if the person will go kill this person? Where this man clothes, I be someone, it just won't link this man to this woman. Because as we gather our information, this man and this woman way that this nurse way that they date themselves. And the last time when they see this man, now for the woman house, but she come out for there, the CCTV footage shows say this man carry leg come out from there. So how many person will carry leg come out there, keep person, can't carry the person again, go hospital, go dump and for now there, then these people supposed to do their investigation well. But if you be say true, this thing feel happen, maybe the time when this guy said go do my place, don't go kill him. Maybe later on I ain't go come gather with people, say they carry this body, go dump for them because now no people now. But I beg, what be the motive of what make you do this one? Say the reason say if you do this one to this woman, you go gain all her property. But what you think? Because for John to decide, say yes, you kill person, it means that they don't do their investigation well. And on the Nigerians, now go no say to go all this outside country go they commit. And now no say they know the messy person. You go come decide say you won't go, you don't even go kill your own fellow Nigerian person. Or in both person say she don't even say now you can't gather mind, go kill their own citizen. After say all this one go read, they go even join all this one vex you. Even if your penalty no reach death, they go kill you. Because now person you self kill. But I beg our Nigerian government, I don't know, now go to put matter inside all this our people where they diaspora, where they do bad things. Because sometimes they know they to do all this investigation work because people they talk to this whole thing will happen. They just they blame this guy on top and say no be the guy even killed this woman. Say now another person killed this one, but just because of say wait, they hate Nigerians. Now what it can be the reason can't make them decide say okay they will kill this guy. But guy, if you do this one, nothing I will tell you is then rest in peace. Because now what you find now you carry your hand go meet. Because how you go just decide say you won't kill your lover. Person where you date where you claim say you love him, you can't decide say you won't go kill him. But anyway, make they shall approve this whole thing before they will go sentence this guy. Because it be like they don't they carry him go. But I beg, make they chill out small. Do small investigation. Gather this thing well first before they will go kill innocent person. For later they will come realize say no be this guy do this thing. My people I beg, I hear this one as make I bring and come. Make na service in ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.